Hello everyone. Recently, CBSE has changed the question paper pattern for the board exam 2021. They have introduced a new type of question called as case study based question. In my previous video, I have done the case study based question from the chapter triangles, coordinate geometry, polynomials. And in today's video, we will be seeing a case study based question from the chapter areas related to circle. The question goes like this. A brooch is a small piece of jewelry which has a pin at the back so that it can be fastened to a dress. A few designs of the brooch are given. Observe them carefully. So the first design, brooch A, is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 28 mm. The wire is used for making 4 diameters which divides the circle into 8 sectors. So total 4 diameters you can see, and the length of each of the diameter is 28 mm, and it has divided into 8 equal sectors. So these 3 things you have to keep in your mind. The length of the diameter is 28 mm, and there are 4 diameters. The wire is used for making 4 diameters, will divide the circle into 8 equal sectors. Now design B. Brooch B is made in 2 colors, gold and silver. Outer part is made with gold and the circumference of the silver part is 44 mm and the gold part is 3 mm wide everywhere. So outer part is actually, this part is gold and this part is silver. So the circumference of the silver part is given and the width of this gold part is 3 mm everywhere. Now we will see the question. So the first question is total length of the silver wire required. So we have the silver wire. You have to refer design A. They have given here clearly, refer to design A. So total length of the silver wire required. We have 4 diameters they have given, each of length 28 mm, and this is also made of silver wire. So we have to add 4 diameters plus circumference of this circle. So total length of the silver wire required is 4 diameter is given as 28 mm. So total length will be 4 into 28 plus 2 pi r, the circumference of the circle, 4 into 28 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 14, because we need to find out the circumference. So radius is half of diameter, which is equal to 88. 28 into 4, 28 into 4, 32, 112. So 112 plus 88 is 200 millimeter. So the answer is 200 millimeter. Next question is area of each sector. Here there are 8 sectors. So we need to find area of each sector we have to find, and this total circle is divided into 8 parts. So we will find out area of each sector. So we know the formula of area of sector is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Diameter of this wire is 28 millimeter. So radius will be 14. Now next our aim is to find out theta. So we need to find, this will be the theta. Area of one sector we need to find out. Since the full circle is divided into 8 parts, my theta will be 360 divided by 8. So 360 divided by 8 will give you theta, which is equal to 45 degree. Now we can substitute in this 45 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square is 14 into 14. So when you cancel this, you can again cancel this. This is 180. Again you can cancel this 7, 90. Again you can cancel this, which is equal to 2. So 11. 11 into 7 is 77 millimeter square will be the area of each sector. Next one, the circumference of outer part, that is golden, is we need to find. We have to refer design B. This is design B, and brush B is made in two colors, that is one is gold and silver. Outer part, this part is gold and the inside part is silver, and we know that circumference of the silver is 44 millimeter, and the gold part, this will be 3 millimeter wide everywhere. So circumference is of the silver part is 44, that means this length will be 44 millimeter. But the question is, we need to find out circumference of the golden part. So to find out that, we know the formula for circumference. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. So we need to find out this from radius from here to here. So first, this is 3 millimeter, I know, but we need to find what is the radius from the center to this point. So for that, we are going to use the data. The circumference of silver part is 44 millimeter. So 2 pi, this we can write as capital letter R since it is outside radius. So this is equal to 44 millimeter. R will be 44 divided by 2 pi, which is equal to 22 by 7. So we can cancel. So radius is 7. So inside radius is 7 and this radius is 3. This width is 3. So total radius will be 10. So this outer circumference will be 2 into 22 by 7 into 10. So which is equal to 440 divided by 7. 440 divided by 7, which is equal to, your answer will be 62.86 millimeter. When you divide, we'll get 62.86 millimeter. Now difference of area of golden and silver part. Next question is, we need to find what is the difference of the area of golden and silver part. Just now we got that area of silver part is 7, not area, radius of the silver part is 7 and the outer radius is 10 because this is 3 millimeter wide everywhere. So difference of area of golden and silver part. So pi r square is area of golden part and pi small letter r square is area of silver part. Pi is common, we can take outside, r square minus r square. So pi into 10 square minus 7 square, pi into 100 minus 49, so which is equal to 51 pi. So here they have given the answer in pi only, so it is 51 pi. Next one, a boy is playing with brush B who makes revolution with it along its edge. How many revolution must it take to cover 80 pi millimeter? So we know revolution means 2 pi r circumference. I don't know how many revolution. Let the revolution be n. N into 2 pi r is equal to 80 pi. Pi and pi cancel. We need to find out value of n. We know the radius. Outer radius will be, just now we have seen, silver radius is 7 and the outer part radius 7 plus 3 10. So n into 2 into 10 is equal to 80 and value of n will be 8 by 2 equal to 4 revolution. So the boy must have taken 4 revolution to cover 80 pi millimeter. So this is the case study question. In today's video we have seen a case study question from the chapter areas related to circle. Here mainly we have used area of circle formula, which is equal to area of circle is pi r square. Then we have used the formula circumference of the circle, which is equal to 2 pi r, and in one question we have used area of sector, which is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square, where r is the radius and theta is the angle formed between two radii. Thank you for watching my video.